In this video, we are going to discuss about some important points. So, please note down that important points. Point number one. All non-zero, all the non-zero digits are significant. That is 3, 4, 5. Take one number. Now, what is the significant figure? That is 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Because these are non-zero digits. Now, point number 2. All the zeros between 2 non-zero digits are significant. That is 304 is a number. Now tell me, what is its significant digit or significant figure? 3. Now, point number 3. Suppose if the number is less than 1, the zeros on the right of decimal point, but to the left of the first non-zero digit are not significant. That is 0.002308. Now tell me, what is the significant figure? 4 only. Once again I am repeating this point. If the number is less than 1, the zeros on the right of the decimal point but to the left of the first non-zero digits are not significant. The meaning is 0.002308 in which the significant figure is 4, because these 2 zeros and this 1 zero, these 3 zeros are not significant. Now, point number 4. The terminal or trailing trailing zeros in a number without a decimal point are not significant. That is 1, 2, 3 meters, 123 meters. Now the significant figure is equal 3, 123.00 centimeters. Now the significant figure is 3 only, 123.000 millimeters. Now the significant figure is equal 3 only. Once again I am repeating this point. The terminal or trailing zeros in a number without a decimal point are not significant. That is 1, 2, 3 is equal significant figure 3. 1, 2, 3, 0, 0 significant figure 3. 1, 2, 3, 0, 0. That means just we are converting into different units. But even though the significant figure should be same. Next, point number 5. The trailing zeros, the trailing zeros in a number with a decimal point are significant. That is 3.500. The significant figure is equal 4 and 0.06900. Now the significant figure is equal 4. Once again I am repeating this point. The trailing zeros in a number with a decimal point are not significant. That means here zeros are there, these two have no significant. If we can take 3500 these are no significant. In this case the significant figure is 2. However, according to this point, the trailing zeros in a number with a decimal points are significant. So both have significant figure is 4. Point number 6. For a number for a number greater than 1, greater than 1, for a number greater than 1 without any decimal, the trailing zeros are not significant. That is 2200. What is the significant figure? 2 only. But if it is 22.00, in that case the significant figure is 4 because decimal is there. Now once again read the point. For a number greater than 1, it is greater than 1, you know. Out of any decimal, there is no any decimal. The trailing zeros are not significant here. The zeros are no significant. It has no value. Okay. Now, point number 7. For a number with a decimal, the trailing zeros are significant. The trailing zeros are significant. Once again I am repeating the point. For a number with a decimal, the trailing zeros are significant. That means 22.0. That is, the significant figure is 3. 22.00. The significant figure is 4. Now 1.0. The significant figure is 1. 1.00. The significant figure is 2. Now 1.000. Now the significant figure is 3. Now once again I am repeating this point, my dear students. For a number with a decimal, the trailing zeros are significant. For a number, the trailing zeros after the decimal are significant. That means the zeros which are coming after the decimal are significant. So these are the examples. Okay. Now go for next point. Point number 8. The reliable digit. The reliable digit plus first uncertain digit. First uncertain digit or known as significant digit. Or significant significant figure. Once again, I am repeating this point. Now, I can give an example. That is 1.62. 1.62. This is R. R means reliable digit. This is R. R means reliable digit. Plus first uncertainty number. This is UC. That means uncertainty. Here R is equal reliable. Okay. Now what is UC? UC is equal uncertain. Okay, now once again I would like to repeat the point. The reliable digit plus first uncertain digit are known as significant digit or significant figure. Now go for another one. Here 2, 8, 7.5. This is R. This is also R. This is also R. This one is UC. I think you understood. Okay. Now, I think you understood what is the 8th point. It is very important point. It is very important point. Okay. Remember. Now, go for next point. Point number 9. 4.700 meters. Okay. Now tell me, I want to convert 4.700 into 10 square centimeters. 4.700 into 10 cube millimeters. Now tell me, what is the significance figure? The significance figure is equal 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The reason is, even though one unit will be converted with different units, that decimal point, that zeros, we never write after the mother number. So that what is the mother number, significant figure, that should be continue for remaining change of the numbers also. Therefore, for these three, the significant figure is 4. Now, point number 10. 2200. What is the significant figure? 2. Tell me, 22000. What is the significant figure? 2 only. Now tell me, 0200. What is the significant figure? Significant 2 only. Now tell me, 02000. What is the significant figure? 2 only. The reason is, if the number is there, there is no any decimal. So whatever it is before or after zeros are not at all significant. That means the original numbers has the significance. So 22. Only here 2. So 2. The significance figure is 2. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay. Now go for point number 11. Suppose I take 22.00. Now tell me, what is the significant figure? Now 4. Why? Because these two zeros followed by the decimal point. That is why these two are come under the significant. Okay. Now tell me, 22.000. Now tell me, what is the significant figure? 5. Now tell me, 022.00. What is the significant figure? 4. Because 0 here, no significant. Now tell me, 022.000. Now tell me, what is the significant? The 0 has no significant, but the zeros after the decimal has the significant, but the two natural numbers has the significant. The total significant is 5. Okay. Now 0 to 2.000. One, tell me what is the significant figure? That is called 5. Now 0.022. What is the significant figure? Only 2, because here these 2 has the no significance. Now tell me 0.0022. Tell me what is the significant figure? That is 2, because these zeros has no significance. Now point number 10. If I can take 1.0, what is the significant? That is 2. If I can take 1.00, what is the significant? That is called 3. If I can take 1.022, what is the significant figure? That is 4. Now, if I can take 1.00 and 22, what is the significant figure? That is called 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even though it is after the decimal, but 1 is there. Because of this one, it acquired the decimal, it acquired the certainty. So it has the significance. That is why the total significance is 5. Now, if I can take 10.0, the significant figure is equal to 3. If I can take 100.0, then the significant figure is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I can take 10, now what is the significant? It has only significant is 1, because the 0 has no value, no significance. Now, if I can take 100, what is the significance? The significance also 1, because the zeros has no value. Now tell me, if I can take 3.500, what is the significance? The significance figure is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? My dear students, you are understanding what I am saying. If I can take 0.0690, now tell me what is the significant figure? The significant figure is called 4 only. Okay? Now, if I can take 4.700 meters, consider this is point number 11. So, what is the significant? The significant figure is called 4. If I can take 4.700 into 10 square centimeters, now the significant figure is called 4 only. If I can take 4.700 into 10 to the power of cube millimeter, even though the significant figure is called 4. Now I want to write this one as 4.70000, but centimeters, even though the significant figure is 4. Now I want to take this one as 4.700, 1, 2, 3 zeros millimeters, even though the significant figure is equal to 4. The reason is these two subordinates are followed the main SI unit of 4.700 meters. Therefore, its significance is 4. The same significance will be carried for this one, the same for this one, the same for this one, the same for this one. Okay? If the examiner given this is individually, this is only given. In that case, what is significance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But he is not given individually. It is followed by this CGS unit, followed MKS unit. Therefore, its significance also followed the MK is unit of numbers significant. Okay. Now, point number 12. Point number 12. 2.308 centimeters. 0.02308 meters. 23.08 millimeters. 2308 micrometers. Now tell me, what is the significance? The significance is called 4 because among all these, which one is big? This is big. Now tell me, what is its significance? These two has the no significance. 1. Now 2 has the significance. 3 has the significance. The 0 is between two numbers. Therefore, 0 has the significance. 8 has the significance. The total significance is 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, its significance is 4. As a result, these are the subordinates or follow the SI system. Therefore, all these have the same significance. Okay? Now, point number 13. Point number 13. 2308 into 10 to the power of minus 3 centimeters. 2308 into 10 to the power of minus 5 meters. 2308 into 10 to the power of minus 2 millimeters. 23080 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meters. My dear students, now tell me, what is the significance? The significance is called 4. The reason is, among all these, please find which one is big one? This one. Actually, all are same, but according to SI unit or MK units, this has the more value, okay, or more weightage. Therefore, 5308. So, it has the significance 4. Therefore, the remaining parameters have the same significance like as this MKNs. Therefore, all are having the same significance. I hope you understood this important point. This is a glance. Please copy in your notes. My dear students, now appendix. Appendix Appendix A9. A9. This is page number 214 to 218. 218. Total 94 formulas. Slash dimensional formulas. Dimensional formulas. These are very, very important. You please copy into your notes. Please copy to your notes. Okay? It is very, very important. So, total 94 formulas. we also called as dimension formulas. Please copy to your notes. This is very, 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 very important. Very, very, very important. This will be support in the +1 as well as the +2. This will be available in the NCERT. NCERT +1 Part A, +1 Part A, Part A textbook. Textbook. Don't ignore. Please don't ignore. These are very, very important. So once this in this video, the main points over, you please copy this one. Okay? Now, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. My dear students, actually I covered total concept, several times repeated, and number of numericals. My own, I already explained, and NCERT numericals also covered. So, this whole chapter, units and dimensions completed. Please leave one empty paper. Then, from next video onwards, we can go for motion in a straight line. Thank you very much for your cooperation and writing the notes. Thank you.